Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a battery charging test of the Samsung Galaxy A71. And this phone comes with a massive 4500 mAh battery size that support 25 watt super fast charging. And on the back we have a quad cameras on the back, and the display size on this phone is a 6.7 inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. And also Super AMOLED display, it is one of the best displays on the market right now. And guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how much time is required to fully charge this phone from 0% to 100%. Right now the battery percentage on the Samsung Galaxy A71 is at 0%. So now let's show you the charger that actually comes with right out the box with this phone. And you can see here is the box. Let's open this box and let's see the charger and the cable. And you can see, and the first thing, we got a super fast charging. On the top we have this USB-C port. We don't have a USB-A option on this adapter, and also we have this cable which is also a USB-C to C. And you can see we don't have a USB-A option on this phone. If you buy a retail unit on the market, you will get the same adapter as well as a USB-C to C cable. And guys, this phone comes with a Snapdragon 730 chipset which is based on 8nm architecture. And also we have a 8GB RAM with a 128GB internal storage on this phone. Here is the switch board. Let's insert the USB-C into the adapter like this, and the power source is also on. So let me insert my USB-C cable into the phone, and you can see this phone is showing me that the charging is start. And guys, now let's calculate the time on my Samsung Galaxy C7 Pro which I have right now. And you can see here is the stopwatch. Let's start. And you can see the battery percentage on the A71 is at 0%. And you can see we have a super fast charging which is much faster than the adapter fast charging that is coming at 15 watt. You can see now we have a 1% battery on the Samsung Galaxy A71. So now I will be back after half hour. So let's see how much this phone is charged in half hour. So see you guys after 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after half hour. So let's see the battery percentage on the A71. And you can see the battery percentage on the A71 is at 49%. This phone is charged from 0% to 49% in half hour. So now let's quickly boot this phone up that we usually do in our daily routine. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A71. And also this phone is running on Android 10 right out the box. We don't have Android 9 on the Samsung Galaxy A71, which is a really unique feature on the A71. And you can see we have a super fast charging option on this phone. And you can see everything is off in this phone, like NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, everything is off in this phone. And you can see we also have a battery indicator option on this phone. We don't have a physical LED option on this phone, but still it is a really unique feature on this phone which I really like. And guys, now I will be back after 1 hour exact 60 minutes. So let's see how much this phone is charged from 50% to whatever percent in next half hour. So see you guys after 60 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after 60 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage on the A71. And you can see the battery percentage on the A71 is at 85%. 85% battery is done in 60 minutes. So now I will be back after when phone is fully charged up to 100%, and let's see how much time is required. So now I will be back after when phone is fully charged up to 100%. Okay guys, I am back and my Samsung Galaxy A71 is fully charged, and you can see up to 100% in 1 hour and 23 minutes. And this phone is take not much time. To say that super fast charging, it is much better and faster than the adapter fast charging. Overall, I have to say regarding the battery charging speed of the Samsung Galaxy A71, I have to say that it is much faster and it is worth it. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guys, overall I have to say that the battery charging speed is depending on your environment temperature. If you charging this phone in very high temperature, the battery charging speed will be different than this. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.